Hello everyone, welcome back to Game Dev Night. Here is the second episode of Nomania's development, I guess. And before I start, I want to point one thing out. This will be the last non-edited Nomania devlog, and also the last video you hear of me sounding like this. Next video I'll start using my microphone, my other microphone I have a Blue Yeti. So yeah, content should be a little bit more professional after this one, so enjoy it while it lasts, I guess. And yeah, here's some progress. So I'll show you there's no more login button initially. This menu just shows automatically. And again, you just log in like normal. And immediately you see one big difference, and that's a shop button, but we'll look at that in a second. I have added a player profile essentially, very placeholder. I just want to get this stuff done and working before I work on the actual art of how the game looks. But yeah, so this is how it looks so far. It says your email, the date your account was created, your cobblers, which is your currency, and your experience. It'll show your favorite card in the future as well, so your highest experience card, and also show a global leaderboard of where you are on the leaderboard globally with experience. So how long you've played the game essentially and how much work you've done. And if I click up here, I have concept for how the area select will look. So this will be where you select your different elements. So you have the neutral one, you have nature, light, dark. I'll add fire and water as well. I don't know if I want to call it water or like aqua or ocean or something, but I'll probably just call it water. So yeah, and then I need to think of two more elements. So that'll come in the future and I'll make a decision on that. But yeah, very placeholder. It's going to be a big island in the future with more details. So little wizard towers, castles, farmland, volcano, and dead trees. And yeah, it'll be very detailed in the future. And if I head down into my collection, you'll see brand new card sprites. So first things first, there's an actual different trait for the skeleton. You see it has a little sad face. And there's the purple card. So this is all very placeholder, but this is just to show the different values, I guess. And I did not draw these sprites, they're from Itch, but I did use like 20 something different asset packs that I downloaded, so I'm not going to put them all in the description because they're going to change very soon. And obviously I'm not going to release the game with this art. This is just placeholder to, get the concept across. So yeah, now displays card information. So the knight is a warrior, he's human, he's tier 1, he has base value and base XP. Obviously can't improve this stuff just yet. And the rogue, warrior, human, and you can see it's dark. And then the skeleton is undead. So yeah, these things do work, and everything has their different values. And now for the shop. The brilliant shop, which does have some functionality, but it's not fully done yet. So you see you have the cobblers at the top left. The insert name thing is just a placeholder way for me to purchase stuff. I'll show you in a second. And yeah, here's all the cards in the game right now. So some cool stuff. And it shows which ones you own. So again, if I click this down button, you'll see these are the ones I do own, indeed. And I can purchase cards. So if I type in here Imp Warlord, hit enter, and I go down here, it works. So purchasing does work, and these are on separate databases. This isn't just some fancy little, I just use the same database. These are separate databases. So this is now on your account with its own values. So you can increase the HP on this card or the movement speed or whatever. And that is completely separate from the shop system. So these are essentially the base values for each card in the game. So this will just be a reference sheet, essentially. This will not be used at all for anything except just purchasing. But yeah, very cool. So I'm very happy with that. Obviously, as you can see, it doesn't work just yet. Like if I... Oh, that's the wrong card. If I purchase a healer, it doesn't work. It doesn't get rid of my money. I can just get them. I don't know if I can do multiple purchases of the same thing. I guess let's test that. No, I can only have one of each card, which is pretty cool, I guess, but that will reset your values. But yeah, that's it, essentially. I hope you guys like how it looks. So I'll polish up the purchase system and make it actually work properly and have an actual display, like a purchase button underneath a card. But yeah, that's it, guys. That is essentially what I've done, which has been a lot of work. I don't want to put that down by saying that's all I've done, but yeah, I'm very happy with it. Whew. So after this video, I'll start doing more professional videos. So edited, better microphone, a little bit shorter. I'll have more highlights and stuff and do some cool little effects and stuff. But yeah, hope you guys are excited for that. And I made a Trello board as well. So I'm not going to make this public just yet. I want to polish it up a little bit and improve things. This is very rough so far, and some things are repeated here and there. So yeah, I'll clean this up quite a bit before I make it, like, put a public link in the description where you can actually look at this, and I'll actually make it so people can comment on it as well. Let me know their ideas about things. But yeah, as you can see, I'm doing the shop system right now, and then I'm going to do the minigame system after that. And here, all the features that'll be in the beta game. So if you want an idea of what will be in the game in the beta phase, this is essentially all of it. I know it doesn't explain things too well, but this is an idea of what you can do in the beta version of the game, which is what I'll release in like a month or so. So I hope you guys like how it all looks. I'm very happy with it. Let me know any feedback. The game might not even stay pixel art, by the way. I was thinking about that earlier. I might make the game stylized art and actually try to draw it, or even use 3D stuff and render them in 2D. But yeah, we'll see. I don't really want to do pixel art anymore, but I might just keep doing pixel art for it. But I think I can make the game stand out quite a lot more if I actually do it with stylized art, and it doesn't just look like every other pixel art game. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Please, if you have any reference of what you think might look good, like a different game's art style, or a book, or a comic, or any art style you think looks good that you might think will work for this game, please let me know, and I'll try recreate that style of art. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, have a nice day. Bye bye.